Ready to unlock the power of seamless online payments on your Godaddy website and skyrocket your sales? Let's dive in. First, log into your Godaddy account and head to your website dashboard. Find the website you want to integrate Razorpay with and click Edit Website or Manage Website. Now, depending on your Godaddy website builder version, look for a section where you can add custom code or third-party integrations. This might be labeled HTML, embed code, or add section. Next, log into your Razorpay dashboard. If you don't have an account, quickly create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or API Keys section here. You'll find your key ID and key secret. Keep these handy, as you'll need them soon. Back on your Godaddy website editor, paste the Razorpay payment button code into the custom code section you located earlier. Remember to replace your _KEY_ID with your actual Razorpay key ID and customize the button as you see fit. Preview your Godaddy website to ensure the Razorpay payment button is displaying correctly. Test the payment flow with a small amount to confirm everything's working smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Razorpay with your Godaddy website. Now you can start accepting secure online payments from your customers. Don't forget to optimize your website further to boost sales. Good luck.